Hey, this is Jasmine Fong. Today I want to give you a few secrets. These are the secret to success, in my opinion. Because in our surrounding, there's always a lot of people who are negative. Everything that you're excited about, they are negative. They gossips. They are always, the Chinese say, they pour cold water on you all the time. And the English says they are Debbie Downer, right? So sometimes we try to avoid them and you could successfully avoid them. But other times they are your family members or they are your co-worker. There's nowhere that you could avoid them. So what do? Well, there are many things that you could do. Change jobs, get adopted to a different family, or you could try essential oils, all right? There are a few oils that I use on a daily basis. And to be honest, I have done this with Sacred Mountain for about 2 years now. Almost on a daily basis, I put Sacred Mountain in my ear. And that had proved to help a lot. And I'm going to show you how I do that, okay? So, Sacred Mountain, put a couple drops in your hand. And you want to, sorry, I'm just going to put it away right here. You want to use your index finger, do a little circular motion clockwise, and just rub it in your ear. Just like that. So what it does is, it raises you. And I have to be very honest. I have a few thousand people working with me, and most of them are women. I love them all like my family. But there are sometimes that things that I shouldn't know. And I don't know. I don't hear them. I'm almost working and operating in a different realm that it doesn't bother me. Well, sometimes it does. But then there's the other technique that I'm going to show you how to deal with that. So if you have never tried that, you need to try it. Because that peace is just amazing. Okay? And then now you're sitting there freaking out thinking, oh my goodness, Jasmine just put oil in her ears. And she's the one that told us not to put oils in the ear. Yeah, you cannot put oils dropping it in the eardrum because that will potentially break your eardrum. But you could, however, do what I just showed you just now and is very, very effective. I never leave my bathroom without that. Sacred Mountain is in my toiletry and I use it on a daily basis. The next oil that I want to show you is White Angelica. This is an oil that I never stop using it, especially when I have to be around a group of people. We all have our personal space. Some people have a tighter personal space. Some people have bigger. In general, 3 feet. So around when you lift your hands up, that is your personal space. And you want to protect your personal space, especially if you are surrounded by people who are always negative or people who sucks the energy out of you. So White Angelica is an oil that I love to use. You could use frankincense, Northern Light Black Spruce, Palo Santo. Those are some of the other options as well. I pick White Angelica because it's just powerful. I love that. So take a couple drops in your hand. And you could then rub it in your palm. So now put some on your head, put some on your shoulder. And what I do is I lift my hands up and I think clear. And then I breathe out, exhale slowly with my arms down to my side. And I can just feel myself grow really strong and firm and tall, relying on God's word and His firm foundation. And then cup your hands over your nose. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. You could do that 3-4 times. Clear and just ground. And it's really, really powerful. You can try that. The last thing that I want to show you today, I have a lot to show you, but I want to show you 3 today, is Sacred Sandalwood. I put Sacred Sandalwood usually close to my body. That's because this oil is a very thick oil. There is no spiritual things about that. It's just because my body heat will melt the oil so that it will come out easily. But I didn't put it long enough, so I don't know if it will come out quickly. So Young Living has a few sandalwood. There's Sacred Sandalwood. That is the Royal Hawaiian Sandalwood, which I also love. And if you have the Bible Oil kits, the ancient kit, it comes in the gold label. It says aloes. It's not aloe vera. It's sandalwood, okay? So you could use any of these. Sandalwood is very high in sesquiterpenes, which means it brings oxygen to our brain and hence oxygen into our blood supply. So right in the middle of the day, when you have to go from meeting to meetings, you have to meet one Debbie to another Debbie Downer, and by the third one, you are almost feeling that you are tired. So, and then you have 5 more meetings to go, or you have a lot more things to do. You have to go pick up your kids. You don't want to pick up your kids when you're feeling really sad and tired and drained. You want that energy. You want to be positive for them. So take some sandalwood, rub it in your palm. I am right-handed, so my dominant hand on my thymus, which is the little bone right here, thymus, and my non-dominant hand on my navel, my belly button, okay? So what you do is you just breathe in and breathe out. By doing this, you are charging your energy level, bringing oxygen to your blood supply, to your brain, to your whole body, cardiovascular system, and all system of your body. It's super powerful. So you just do breathe in and out. Breathe in, fill your lung, and blow it out. And do it 3-4 times. What you could feel is you could feel a little charge all around your body, and it's usually on a clockwise circular motion. So this is the 3 tips that I want to show you today. I hope that will give you positive reinforcement to fight back Debbie Downer in a positive and most amazing smelly way. I will come on and show you some of the breathing exercise in the next few days. Meanwhile, try these 3 things. You are going to enjoy it. Take care.